thank you so much for watching. If you liked this sampler, do me a favor, share it on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever social media you use. Samplers are such an important part of tricking culture, and I never want them to go away. And if you're in the Maryland area, check out the weekly tricking sessions held out of Kinetic Ninja Warrior and Kinetic Youth Academy. I'm so excited to start a local tricking program, so check out the description if you're in the East Coast and specifically the Maryland area. Sessions start Friday, October 18th, and they will be every Friday from 7 to 9 p.m. Guys, I am beyond excited. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.